Law of Attraction: How to use positive thinking to attract what you want in life. Welcome to Yespect, the home of motivational videos that help you unlock your true potential. Today, we're going to talk about the law of attraction and how to use it to manifest your desired reality. The law of attraction is a powerful force that can help you achieve your dreams by harnessing the power of positive thinking. Quote from Wayne Dyer: "Change the way you look at things and the things you look at change." The law of attraction is all about manifesting your desires into reality. But how do you do it? The first step is to set clear intentions and focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires faster. Imagine yourself living the life you desire, and feel the emotions that come with it. Anthony Robbins said, "It's not about the goal. It's about growing to become the person that can accomplish that goal." Failure is a part of the journey to success. But it's not the end of the road. Use failure as a learning opportunity and keep moving forward. Success is not an overnight thing, it takes time and effort to achieve. But with the law of attraction on your side, you can achieve your goals faster and with ease. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. Jack Ma. Fear is the biggest obstacle to success. It holds us back from taking action and pursuing our dreams. But with the law of attraction, you can overcome your fears and become fearless. Visualize yourself as a confident and fearless person, and feel the power that comes with it. Bill Gates has said, "As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others." Motivation is what drives us to pursue our dreams. But it's not always easy to stay motivated. That's why you should surround yourself with positive and supportive people. And never give up, no matter how tough the journey may seem. Keep your focus on your goals and let the law of attraction do the rest. Visualization and feeling good. Visualizing your desired reality is not just about imagining it, it's about feeling it too. When you feel good, you attract positive things into your life. Focus on the feelings of joy, gratitude, and excitement that come with achieving your goals. And let the law of attraction do its magic. The law of attraction is all about trusting the universe and letting go of control. Have faith that the universe will bring you what you desire, and don't try to force it. And most importantly, love yourself. You are worthy of all the success and abundance in the world. Gratitude, the key to unlocking abundance in your life. When you're grateful for what you have, you attract more things to be grateful for. Make a habit of expressing gratitude every day, and watch as your life transforms for the better. Remember, the law of attraction is a powerful force that can help you achieve your dreams. All you have to do is set clear intentions, focus on what you want, and trust the universe to bring it to you. Keep practicing manifestation techniques and visualizations, and don't be afraid to fail or make mistakes. Remember that success is a journey, not a destination. And when you reach your goals, make sure to express gratitude and love yourself for all that you have accomplished. So, if you want to live the life of your dreams, don't wait for it to happen, make it happen. Believe in yourself, and use the law of attraction to your advantage. By the way, do you want to know your biggest success blocker? Click the link in the description to take a quiz to know what's blocking your success and how to overcome it. We hope that this video has inspired you to take action and start living the life you desire. Thank you for watching Yespect, and we'll see you in the next video.